ఇక్కడ వస్తున్నారు. One moment. Take position. Okay, control.
And friends, we do one. The signature of our chairman, Country Club blocks. Everybody. So 1, 2, 3. This is for the reel. Can we have the reel? Rakesh sir, yes, for the reel. I'll say 1, 2, 3. We'll all say Country Club blocks together. Okay? Are you ready with the reel? Just shoot with the reel. And just say 1, 2, 3. We'll all say Country Club blocks. Okay? Smile, everyone. 1, 2, 3. Country Club blocks.
Okay, sir.
In English?
International Yoga Day, like I was telling you, you have seen our Honorable Prime Minister totally involved in this Yoga Day also. So I have drawn also myself a personal inspiration, and then we have conducted classes across country clubs across the country and outside, and it has been a very big hit. And that goes to show how much yoga has really impacted our health and fitness. Yoga, as you all know, that it is a part of the Indian culture, Indian tradition, and yoga is a very big gift to the rest of the world, actually speaking. You look at me only. I have lost about 25 kgs last 3 years, only because I have incorporated yoga in my fitness regimen. And yoga is definitely one of the most useful things. And Country Club's USP has been health and fitness right from the beginning. We are one of the biggest contributors to health and fitness industry. And going forward, when you look at things, the economy and all that, as I was telling you, the economy has really picked up hugely. We are now the fifth largest economy in the world, moving towards fourth or third in the next maximum couple of years. So I've been looking at economy, and I'm sure I think Country Club also is going ahead in the same manner, and we hope to be. We are the biggest players in the holiday industry and the clubbing industry, and I'm sure I think we are going to double or triple only this year only because of the associations, global associations, and global alliances. So I think it has been a good sign, more so because we have recovered very fast from pandemic, and we have become a zero debt company. This is the biggest thing that has happened to the Country Club because a lot of companies in the hospitality industry have shut shop because of huge debts, and they were not able to service and all that. But Country Club was able to get out of this and become a zero debt company. And today, the only answer to the our company's future is growth, growth, and growth.
So after Dubai project, what is the next project?
We are yeah, we are planning. We are planning in different parts, and mainly we are doing it through strategic alliances. It is easier because they are already there, and if they want to use our infrastructure, and we would like to use their infrastructure. So I think strategic alliances is the future of Country Club, and definitely I am sure. I think in the next couple of years we will be somewhere else.
Regarding about this membership, new membership card.
Yeah. Regarding the Platinum Global Membership Card, you get to have about clubbing all across the country clubs, plus 30 years, 1 week holiday in all the places of country club and in affiliate properties, and of course, thinking of the health clubs and events and all that. That has been the success of your country club.
We are happy to hear at Hyderabad about the decision of the Country Club and all the decision.
Oh, it's absolutely wonderful. I've been associated with Country Club since 2016, and since the first year of celebration of International Yoga Day by our Honorable Prime Minister of India, Shri Narendra Modi ji, I have been taking yoga sessions all across the world. I've been truly fortunate because Country Club took this wondrous initiative at the time of pandemic in 2020 to allow everyone to do yoga at their own space, own place. Whereas Country Club at Your Doorstep was started, and I was truly, blessed to be as the brand ambassador conducting more than 200 sessions in a span of 5 months. Sometimes the response used to be so great that people from America would say, please do it as per our time. So we would be very comfortable with them, giving them at their time and the likes. So the entire 200 beautiful videos we have truly gave us a lot of love from all across the world. In fact, right from Canada to America to Australia, we had people joining us, and at the same time, from Japan, we have these beautiful ladies who were never on Facebook. They used to not use the social media, but they only joined Facebook so that they could follow Country Club on Country Club page and do yoga at Country Club at Your Doorstep. They've given us a testimonial, learning English from someone so that they could communicate to us what has been happened. And people, so many people who never knew yoga, who've never done yoga in their life, started doing yoga with Country Club at Your Doorstep. And I think that is the biggest blessing, that we have the love of everyone, the blessing of everyone, that people say they were benefited out of it. So even if they are 60 years old and they haven't done yoga, all they would do is just the breathing exercises, pranayam, because we have the eightfold yoga, 8-part fold yoga. So from the fourth, that is pranayam, to the fifth pratyahar, we go within. And then of course, whoever wants to really, because after all, we're all spiritual souls going through this human experience, and yoga is a way of life to connect ourselves with the union. It's becoming one with the union. It's the union of the divine. And that is what yoga does. So they used to truly join us for meditation classes. In the same time, through breathing, make sure that the mind is calm and allow the mind to become their friend so that they could absolutely connect with themselves within. And this is the beauty of yoga. It's for every age group, for everybody. Even if one weighs 150 kgs, can do yoga. Just begin with it. Just begin with the Kapalbhati. Just taking the toxins out of the system and gaining and taking in lots of oxygen and purity and love. It's beautiful, the union of love, yoga.
Just one last question. Actually, we are looking yoga is an Indian tradition.
Yes.
That become in other countries is very important, but Indians are not always. In that, what you want to say?
Thanks to our visionary leader, Honorable Prime Minister of India, Shri Narendra Modi ji, since he propagated this international Yoga Day celebration, and of course the entire world, from the UN celebrates it, out of sheer love for yoga and sheer love for one and all, everyone is joining as friends. We as friends just go, okay, you going for yoga? Today is International Yoga Day. Okay, let's start. And that is how everyone has started doing yoga in a very minuscule way, but it stays with you. So yoga is something which is 24/7. It is being aware of that very moment. It teaches you how to live life after really having this precious human birth. We say we are very lucky to being born as humans, and how to utilize life is by yoga. So what he said is right. Initially, it was always, the NRIs, the foreigners who were very, very fond of yoga. So in fact, more than Hatha Yoga and Ashtanga Yoga, initially I'm talking of Power Yoga became very popular, because, the Western people used to like everything in a speedy way, fast way. And more than that also, because, they're very flexible, they're regularly into workouts. So Power Yoga became very, very popular. And then when our beautiful foreigners started coming to India, to our beautiful schools, the Bihar School of Yoga and the oldest school of yoga, that is at Santa Cruz Institute, where Hansama and Sitama have been teaching yoga to the world, they have fallen in love with the beautiful flow of Vinyasa Yoga or Hatha Yoga, Iyengar's Yoga, and the likes. In fact, I also have loved doing hot yoga, that is, where we do it in a steamy room. But the fact that everything comes from the basic yoga, from Hatha Yoga, Ashtanga Yoga, everything comes from these bases, from the eightfold part of yoga, is very, very special. So now, of course, even Indians love doing yoga, and everywhere we're spreading yoga. What Country Club does is take this initiative pan-India. Pan-India Country Club has yoga sessions free for everyone. So all they need to do is get your loved ones, and this is the message we give everyone, that at least for one day on International Yoga Day, do yoga, so it comes and becomes a pulse and becomes a way of life. And then regularly, Country Club always has these yoga sessions. Country Club at your doorstep was completely free for everyone, where even Country Club encouraged people and gave them the freebies by allowing them that if you're doing yoga and if you are the one who's just started yoga, show us, send us your videos so we can present to you and encourage you further. So now Indians also love doing yoga and are really sticking to it. What you said is absolutely correct. But things have changed, and we are in our 10th year of International Yoga Day celebration. This year is very special because women empowerment. So all the girls, ladies and women are very excited to perform yoga. So everybody please join us for this beautiful Country Club presenting Country Club at your doorstep. Do remember to hashtag Country Club at your doorstep. And my name is Simran Ahuja. Thank you, the brand ambassador for Country Club Yoga. Thank you. Global Namaste. Thank you.